Hello and welcome. What I would like you to do today is to get a baseline of your typing abilities. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to typingtest.com. And on typingtest.com, I would like you to go ahead and take this pre-test a couple different times, at least 3 separate times, in English for 1 minute, using Aesop's or Aesop's Fables, and we're going to click Start. What it'll do is once you start typing, the clock will start ticking down. So as soon as I hit the Shift A, so I have a capital letter A, you notice my time starts typing over here, and as I type the word E-S-O-P space, and I move on. W-A-S for was, space, and move on. And if you do make an error, O-N-N instead of O-N-E, it keeps track of it down here where it says errors. You can go back and fix it, and it takes your errors back down to 0, but that does decrease your speed. At the end of the time, what I would like you to do then is take it 3 or 4, like I said, at least 3 times, and find out how fast of a typer you are right now before we begin any typing instruction. This is called our pre-assessment typing test. And then, when you're finished, I'm going to show you what I'd like you to do with your results, because I want to have a copy of your results. Here you'll see your results page. So when you're done typing, and you've done it a couple times to kind of see if that's really your typing speed, what I'd like you to do is on your keyboard, press the print screen. That's the print screen on the top of the keyboard on the right hand side. And then if you will go to Microsoft Word, open up Microsoft Word. And in Microsoft Word, if you would go to Edit, right click on Edit, and Paste. And once you click right click and go Edit Paste, this should show up. Then I'd like you to go ahead and type your name on here. Go ahead and close that out. So your name's going to be on the piece of paper along with a picture of how fast you were typing. And then go ahead and send it to the printer. Now I'm going to go ahead and type down here the name of our printer. It's HP Color LaserJet 3600. So when you go to print, please make sure that you are sending it to that printer. Print it off and turn it into the substitute teacher. And after you complete all the surveys, you are finished for the day. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.